How to add text to a page. Presuming the page is already created, you would go over here to Pages after you've logged in, click on Pages, and then find the page that you wish to add text to. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to quickly create a page. So we click on Add Pages first. You can either do that, create a new page, or edit an existing page. As I said, this is for the sample purposes. So here we have a page. We haven't created the page yet. That's not important. This video clip is about adding text. Once you've got the page open, this white window which appears here, this is all the content of your actual web page. So anything that goes here, whether it's pictures or text, that is the actual contents of your website or your web page. So if we just randomly choose a page, what appears here, everything you see in front of you, that relates to this little white window. So here we go, we're going to add some text. Okay, we've added text to a page. We're not going to do images in this video clip, we're just going to do text. If I were to go, let's do that in fact, we'll go publish. I've created a page called sample, I've now published it. Come back to the website itself, hit refresh, and you'll see that page appear. Here we go, sample. So when we come down to sample, it simply has the text. Now let's presume that we want that to be a different color, we want it to be bold, whatever. We come back to the page, we'll say that there needs to be changed. So the text color, that's as close to brown as we're going to get. We want it to be slightly bolder, so let's make it bold. And we may decide that we want that to be italic. That might be a different color, so you can see very clearly that you have control over how it actually looks. So we've made all those changes. We then come across, we click on update, and then we come back to our page. Once it's updated, it takes a few moments. Okay, it's updated. Come back to your page, hit the refresh button, F5 on your keyboard, or simply hit the refresh icon, and there it is. We've got text on our page. We've had the ability to actually change the color and whether it's bold or not, whether it's italic, etc. The control you have is all relative to these buttons back on the design screen. For example, if we wanted to give that page a heading, we could actually change that line to a heading. Now we actually have a heading. If we wanted the text to be centered, you click on center. If you wanted it on the right, you click on align right or align left. Obviously you're getting the idea. So let's make that centered, and we'll have one more line underneath that. And we'll actually make that line right justified. So you can see this line is left justified, the middle one is centered, and the one on the right is right justified. You obviously get to choose how you want it. So let's save that and then come back to your website after it blinks back. Generally the page will blink. Come back to the sample, refresh the page, and you'll see that there are new lines on the page with the text that we've put. There's a nice big heading. There's your original text, which is center justified. This is right justified. You can control where it goes. That's how you add text to a website.